Hello everyone, my name's Dr. Deborah Chinn. I work at King's College London. I'm the lead researcher for the Feeling at Home research project, and I'd like to welcome you to our website and tell you a bit about the project. I'm going to tell you a bit about how the project started, what we're planning to do on the project, how we hope it will help people with learning disabilities, and also how you can contact us. We'd really love to hear from you. The research is about a really important part of sharing a home with other people with learning disabilities. How much each person living there feels at home where they live. What helps us feel at home is very personal. It might be having photos of friends and family on the wall. It might be cuddling up with a pet on the sofa. It might be having your friends round to watch the football. It might be going in your room and closing the door and knowing no one is going to bother you. It might be saying hi to the neighbours in the street. What helps you feel at home? The idea for this research project came from our experiences in the research group of visiting people with learning disabilities in their home. Myself and Tony Leviton, who's also in the research team, have both worked for many years as clinical psychologists in community learning disability teams, and we've visited quite a few people in their homes. We've noticed that the places where people live can be very different. Some places feel very cosy and warm and relaxed, like a real home. Other places feel a bit impersonal, like a hotel or a hostel or a hospital even, with plastic covers on the furniture and staff deciding when people get up or go to bed. But what helps us feel at home is very different for everyone. We might have different ideas from our family or from our culture or from our religion. So we decided to try to find out from people with learning disabilities themselves what helps them feel at home and what gets in the way. On this research project, we're going to ask people with learning disabilities living in a house or flat with other people to use photographs to tell us about what helps them feel at home. We want to include a wide range of people with learning disabilities and also include people who might not be very confident in speaking or who might not even speak at all. So we thought asking them to take photographs would be a really good way of trying to understand their experiences. We're going to use a method called photovoice, and you can find out more about this on the website. We're going to talk and think about the photographs in small groups with the people who took them. And we're also going to show the photographs to other people in a public exhibition. And we'd really like to hear everybody's comments and ideas about what the photographs are telling them. The next stage is to use the photographs and the comments and discussion to make some things that we hope will help service providers pay more attention to making sure the houses they manage help people feel at home. We're planning to make a feeling at home checklist. That'll be a list of things that people have told us are important for feeling at home. And we want to make a toolkit for staff to help them work on making sure that the residents that they support feel at home where they live. The project is being funded by the National Institute for Health Research, School for Social Care Research, and we'd like to say a big thank you to them for all their support. Please have a look around the website to find out more about the project. You can meet the research team. You can keep track of the events that are coming up. And there's quite a lot going on. And you can read our blogs, which talk about what we're doing. We'd really like to hear from you. You can leave comments on the blogs or contact us directly by pressing the contact button at the top. Thank you so much for listening, and we very much hope that you enjoy the website.